Hey everyone, in this week's video I'm going to show you how to use a breadboard. A breadboard is an important piece of equipment that you're going to need to prototype circuits. It allows you to easily attach and detach components without having to solder anything. So here's my breadboard. I have my breadboard connected to a black backing and power ports. This isn't usual. Usually what you're going to see is just this white breadboard here. First thing you'll notice is you have a positive and a negative rails going along the top and the bottom of the breadboard. These are going to be your power rails. These pins are connected along the length of the board. So this pin right here is connected to this pin and this pin, along with all the other pins going along the length. This is true for both the positive and the negative on the top and the bottom. In the middle here, these pins are connected along the columns. My rows are labeled A through J, and the columns here are labeled 1 through 65. This pin right here is connected to this pin, but is not connected along this divider along the middle to this pin. This divider along the middle is usually used to connect chips, like this chip right here. The chip straddles the divider, and all the pins on the chip are not connected. One of the main advantages of using a breadboard is that you can easily attach and detach components without having to solder them, such as this component. I'm just going to pull it out and stick it right back into any other portion right here. Usually what you want to do is connect the power in with a jumper at the beginning of your circuit. The circuit's then going to go connected to all of the components, and then with the jumper go right back to the negative. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Next step is to start putting components on that board and creating circuits. Thanks again, and stay tuned for next week's video.